Hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to be changing out the headlight bulbs in my brother's 2016 Ram pickup. This truck came with the optional headlights, the projector bulb or the projector style headlights versus the traditional halogens. In this truck are currently LED bulbs that I would have put in some time back, and they are just not up to code anymore. So the nice folks from Auxito reached out to me and asked me if I would install a set of their headlights and review them on my channel. And I am more than happy, and this truck is the perfect truck to try this on because the headlights are terrible. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. One quick thing I failed to mention, I'm having to do this via a voiceover. Typically I walk you through everything live and in living color. I can't do that on this video because I thought I recorded things very well, but the outside, there was just too much noise in the background that you could hear me talking in some points, and some points I wasn't loud and clear enough. So versus that type of listening, I decided I'm just going to do a voiceover. Everything comes across at the same scale. Here, I just wanted to briefly take you down the road, show you the light's intensity, and, see part of the reason why. I mean, it's just not that bright. A lot of new cars are way brighter, got a far more of a light bulb look to the sides. I mean, you look off to the side here, you barely can see anything lighting up the road off to the side. It makes driving this truck with these headlights that are currently in it dangerous, especially in rain. So here are the bulbs that Auxito sent us. These are their 12,000 lumen, 6,000 Kelvin, which is the white bulb. So we wanted white. And the 12,000 lumen is how the intensity of the light. So that's what we have here. And they are the 9,005s, which fit this Dodge truck. So let's get these into the truck. So here we are opening up the package. Again, or maybe I didn't say this, but very well packaged. Feels quality, if you will. So here we are with a different set of washers that you can use that you could choose from in order to make your bulb fit better or more snug if necessary into the housing. And of course, these instructions, which we don't care about, and then down to the bulbs. Very nice bulbs. I don't know what to say, they're bulbs, but they are compact enough, and with the lumens that they're going to output, I didn't want a big bulky bulb and to fit into that housing. I want to be able to close the housing back up and seal everything off, and these bulbs are nice and neatly sized. Okay, before we install those, let's get these out. So I don't recall, I would have done this job way back when. I don't recall installing these in here, but they're in there and I would have done it. But yeah, we're just going to take these out. I don't recall who they are. I just know that they were LED bulbs that I picked up off Amazon. And so let's get these out of the way and let's get our Auxitos in. So here we are, we've plugged in our new Auxito bulbs. What we're going to do now is just make sure everything is secure, and we're going to put back on the back plate and install the headlights back into the truck. All right, so here we are, got the truck back together, driving down the road, same stretch of road. And what I want you to notice here is the intensity of the street. And look out to the side. You can see the bushes out there, whereas before you couldn't. These are the little things that make a difference when installing headlights. You want to be able to see in and around you as well as what's in front of you. And so I feel like these bulbs are a great fit. All right, YouTubers, that's it. Very quick video. Just wanted to kind of go over the headlight process and the review, and couldn't have been simpler. If you like the video, like the video.